Welcome back to the channel. Glad to have you here. Today we're going to dive into part 2 of Korean skincare. If you have not yet watched the first part, you will find the video linked in the description box below. In this video, we're going to basically dive into how you can incorporate Korean skincare into your daily skincare routine according to your skin type, how you can start with the basics, how you can start with adding the different serums and essences that are best for you, and also a couple of precautions to keep in mind, so stay tuned. I'm also going to take you on a quick short tour to one of the local skincare stores that sells Korean skincare, so we can have a look and we can have that visual aspect as well. So incorporating Korean skincare into your daily routine, it's a very rewarding experience. It actually helps you achieve a healthier and more radiant skin. And we're going to talk about the steps to start to introduce the skincare methods into your daily routine. First of all is understanding your skin type. Start up by identifying your skin type if you have not yet done so. Do you have oily skin, dry, combination, or specific sensitive skin? There are specific skin concerns also. So what are your own skin concerns? Do you suffer from acne, hyperpigmentation, or is aging your main concern? Specifically when it comes to premature aging. And this knowledge will help you select the most suitable products for your own needs. Step 2 is to start with the basics. So now you have the foundational information about your own skin type. Let's start off with the basics. Begin with the fundamental steps of Korean skincare. And there are 3 fundamental steps: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. Cleansing, you can start off with using a gentle cleanser both in the morning and in the evening. And what's going to happen here is that it's going to help to remove dirt, makeup, and impurities. You can also adopt the double cleansing, which is using an oil-based cleanser followed by a water-based cleanser, and it is a popular Korean technique to ensure a thorough cleanse. We also have toning, so you can apply a hydrating toner to replenish the skin's moisture and balance its pH level. And step 3, lastly, we have moisturizing. So you can start off with using a moisturizer that is suitable for your skin type, and this really helps to lock in hydration and keep your skin glowing as well. Now, what about serums and essences? How can you start off by adding these? Well, step 3 is to add and incorporate serums and essences as you start to get used to the basics that we talked about. So incorporating serums, incorporating essences into your routine really help you to address specific concerns. For example, you can use a vitamin C serum. The purpose of that is to help to brighten and even out skin tone. You could also use a hyaluronic acid, which is for intense hydration, mostly for people who suffer from sensitive, super dry skin. Also, we have the niacinamide serum, which helps to regulate sebum production and minimize pores if that's an issue for you. After you've used the serums and essences, you can gradually move on to sheet masks. So you can start off by integrating sheet masks into your routine 1 or 2 times per week, and the masks are soaked with beneficial ingredients. They provide a boost of hydration and nourishment. So then you can go in and really consider targeted treatments. You can add in targeted treatments such as exfoliants, acne spots treatments, or even retinol-based products to address specific concerns, and use these treatments a few times a week based on your skin's tolerance. And also, don't forget sunscreen. This is really important. Apply a sunscreen, natural based, every morning as the last step of your morning routine to really protect your skin from harmful UV rays. And most importantly is to practice consistency. Consistency is key when it comes to any sort of habit, let alone skincare. So, in order to see improvements in your skin, you need to be consistent. You need to stick to your skincare routine daily. You need to give it time to work its magic. And also, patch test is important for new products. So before introducing new products into your routine, make sure you do a patch test on a small area of skin to check to see if you are allergic, to see if you have any adverse reactions or allergies. And also listening to your skin is key. Pay attention to how your skin responds to each product. If you notice any irritation, any sensitivity, adjust your routine accordingly. And this is really important also to use one skincare product at a time for about a week or two, and then that way you would be able to know if it has caused you any irritation. You'd be able to pinpoint what product caused that for you. And also personalize your routine. In the last video we explained how Korean skincare is very flexible and allows you to personalize your routine according to your own needs. So it's all about customization. Feel free to adjust your routine to suit your needs and your preferences. Add or remove any steps that you see are not necessary. Remember, everyone's skin is unique. What works for you may not work for me. It may take some trial and error to find the perfect Korean skincare routine for your skin type. So it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist, a skincare professional that you trust for more personalized advice and recommendations. If you enjoyed today's video, like, subscribe. I'd love to have you on board. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.